Welcome to the deal of the week. I'm here in beautiful Long Beach, or in East Long Beach. You know, with this COVID-19, that's why we're wearing all our masks. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me. But anytime we do a live showing, we come up with our gloves, our masks, our sanitary wipes for your safety, the homeowner's safety, and our safety. Believe it or not, with COVID-19, we're still doing lots of sales. People who need to sell, people who need to buy. East Long Beach is a highly desirable area, but there's only 9 homes available. What makes this a deal of the week is because it's actually under $700,000. The median price here in Long Beach is over $750,000. It was up to $777,000. It's come down just a little bit after the COVID-19. So there's still lots of demand. So we wanted to make sure you guys could see these great deals. So follow me, we'll go on inside. As you can see, we've got this very cute main living room. So take a look at the fireplace, comfortable seating, beautiful hardwood floors. Let's go this way. We'll take you down the main hallway before we show you the kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. So the main hallway, we've got 3 bedrooms off our L here. So as we come down here, we've got the main master this way. Nicely appointed. And it's got its own ensuite with the Jack and Jill entrance. That means you can get in from the bathroom or from the initial hallway. And then we have lots of closet space this way. So double door closet gives you plenty of room for all your belongings. Big window lets in lots of natural light. So let's follow me down the hallway to bedroom number 2. Here we have our second bedroom on the same side of the house. Nice and cool, doesn't get direct sun. So it stays nice and comfortable. Plantation shutters, good size room. So follow me down the hallway, we'll see the bathroom for the main, and then our last bedroom. So here we have nicely tiled with the shower. And this is the original design of the house. The really great thing about Long Beach homes is most of them are post-World War II homes. So on average, they're around 60 to 80 years old. That means they're built with really great construction materials. So if you want to do any kind of remodel, they're really solid, easy to remodel. I've been here for 25 years. I love these homes. So again, all these bedrooms are big enough either for a queen or full size, a double, you name it. Lots of room. You could use it as a bonus room, an office, whatever you'd like. So let's go off this way and let me show you this gorgeous kitchen. The kitchen was remodeled just a little while ago. We've got new hardwood floors in the kitchen, this beautiful island centerpiece, granite countertops, and beautiful complementary cabinetry. I should say complementary, not complimentary. And then of course you've got your stacked laundry in your mudroom that leads outside. Let's go ahead and take a look out there. It's a beautiful private backyard. A cute little veranda style patio that leads to this open courtyard backyard with your detached 2-car garage. You can use the garage as a new ADU if you want to get renters in there, or it's big enough for 2 cars. Plenty of room to play basketball, hang out with the kids, and then you've got a nice green space in the back as well. So again, under $700,000, it's a great deal. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,400 square feet. If you want to find out the address and more details, call me direct, John Williams, 562-787 1444. Again, call me direct, John Williams, 562-787-1444. And if you want a hot list of all the deals of the week, text that number, give me a call, and I'll send that list out to you. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you for the next deal of the week.